start applying these products and doing natural makeup skin tutorial using Mercier Beauty Cosmetics. So obviously starting off with great skin. So I already put a little bit on my skin because I always do mix it in with my skincare routine. So I usually, it depends on the mood and like how dry my skin is, but I like to apply at least between 1 and 3 pumps to my skin. And I like to kind of dab it in like this once I have finished all of my skincare. So it kind of sits on the skin and sinks into the skin, and it just gives you a glow like none other, but it's not greasy. It's like the perfect kind of glow. And applying like some light makeup, it really just shines through. I'm gonna apply a bit of concealer. I don't think Mercier Beauty currently has one, so I'm using the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Brightening Concealer Cream. It has SPF 25 in it, which is amazing, in light cashew, and a Persona Beauty Cosmetics brush. These are my favorite makeup brushes ever. They had one forever and I used it forever, and then they just launched some additional ones and I'm so excited they did that. A little bit of brightener as well. I really love this eye brightener from Rare Beauty. I have light medium. And I'll leave a link for all the Mercier Beauty products and the other additional products down below. And when you put that great skin on underneath, before you apply your makeup, everything just blends so much easier and more evenly. I might go in and add some powder, but for right now I'm not, just to keep that glossy kind of look. I'm gonna do a little bit of foundation, but not a lot. This is my favorite foundation on the planet right now, the NARS Light Reflecting. I'm using Valencia. Switch up my shades all the time because I always switch up like my fake tan routine. So depending on how much on my body I've used, then I'll switch my shade. Mercier Beauty has a Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade. This is in shade brown. Gorgeous packaging. So I'm gonna fix up my brows just a little bit. Just kind of grabbing the hairs so that we add a bit of color to them. Love a fluffy brow, don't we? The staple for me, I'm surprised it's not done yet, the bronzing stick in Seine. I have used this every day since I've gotten it. It's my favorite bronzing stick. So I have a video on how I contour with this product, so I will leave that down below, but I'm obviously going to do it right now. It is so beautiful and seamless on the skin, and it looks natural and it blends, but it has the pigment we want. It's just amazing, honestly. You can use your hands, which I sometimes like to do because it keeps that pigment where I want it, and then I just kind of lightly dab it in. And again, this formula is just so blendy, and with that great skin on the skin, it blends and melts into the skin even better. So that's what I really love about it with makeup, is it just makes all of your makeup easy to sink in and blend and look natural. One of their Flush Bombs in Terracotta. Perfect kind of bronzy peachy shade. Really love these. I've tried a couple of their colors, and again, we're blending into the skin so seamlessly and perfect. Add some glow. Again, an easy stick formula in Bounce. They have a highlight. This one is just, look at this, melt into the skin. I really, really love this highlight. My skin is just getting dewier and dewier. I love it so much. Just when you think you can't get any glowier and dewier, we do. I'm gonna add this bronzing stick to my lid This is one thing I love doing with makeup, just as an easy, quick eyeshadow. Can also use the Flesh Balm color, which I might go in and add a little bit of it. I'm using a Makeup by Mario one, my favorite, in soft brown. I like to just add a little bit to the outer corner of my eye and then use their brush, and it just kind of lightly kind of buff it into the skin, and it blends and looks gorgeous and effortless. Add a little bit of white eyeliner, Too Faced Killer Cashmere. I have a mascara in a perfect black, and I'm gonna apply this, curl my lashes first. I use this Shiseido lash curler. So I do one coat just to kind of coat the lashes. Go back in and kind of shape them a little bit. So when I go back in on the second coat, I kind of do this motion to grab them and pull them out. Lip liner we're starting with from Rinna Beauty. It's one of my favorite lip liners in the shade Notice Me. The thin form of this lip liner. I like to shade the corners for a little bit of depth. I think I'm gonna go in with Bel Air, which is this tinted lip oil, very light shade. I don't like when I put it on my lip and there's lip liner on there and then I mess up the color. And that is the gorgeous kind of natural lip. The final step, I am just gonna go in and add a little bit of powder, just in certain areas here. I'm using the Mercier Ultra Blur Translucent. So I just want to add it right here because that is one area I don't want to be shiny on my face. And I want the concealer to last all day and not crease. So this is my final look using all of the Merit Beauty makeup products, skin products that I have. I really love their line, their minimal beauty concept, skin focused, and it's just so easy for everyone to use and apply. It's not something you need advanced makeup skills to do. So I really love it. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Don't forget to like this video down below and subscribe to me here at Hollkward Beauty on YouTube. I post every single week with brand new beauty and style videos for you babes. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me at Hollkward Beauty over there. I post every single day. And as always, I hope you babes have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.